Good morning, dear students. Today I will discuss about some special integrals. First of all, I will write one by one 6 special integrals. Number 1, integration of dx by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Next, number 2, dx by x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Number 3, integration dx by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. Number 4, dx by root over x square plus a square is equal to log of x plus root over x square plus a square. Dx by root over x square minus a square is equal to log of x plus root over x square minus a square. And number 6, dx by root over a square minus x square is equal to sine inverse of x by a plus 6. So these are 6 special integrals which we will discuss in this chapter. Okay, so you can see dx by x square plus a square, dx by x square minus a square, dx by a square minus x square, dx by root over x square plus a square, dx by root over x square minus a square, and dx by root over a square minus x square. These are actually formulas which you have to remember. Okay, now I am not going to prove the formulas. You will get the proof in NCERT book. Okay, just go through the proof which is given in the NCERT book. Here I will discuss about the application of the formulas. Okay, this is a very important chapter and you have to remember all the formula. First of all, just remember all of this. Okay, and then you can easily apply these formulas in solving questions. Now suppose this is the given integral dx by 9x square plus 4 and we have to integrate this one. Now dx by 9x square 4 equal to, we can write dx by 3x whole square plus 2 square, 3x whole square plus 2 square. Okay, now if we put 3x equal to t, we will get 3 differentiating both sides, we will get 3 dx equal to dt. So dx equal to, dx will be dt by 3. Now the given this integral now becomes, now our variable will change from x to t. So the given integral becomes, you can say 3x equal to t, so this will be t square plus 2 square, and dx is dt by 3, so dx is dt by 3. So 1 by 3. Now dt by t square plus 2 square is of the form dx by x square plus a square. Here x is the variable, x square plus a square. The answer is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. But in this question the variable is t, so its answer will be 1 by a tan inverse of t by 2. 1 tan inverse of x by a, here variable is t, so it will be t by a, t by 2 plus c. And so 1 by 6 tan inverse of t is t equal to 3x, so it will be 3x by 2 plus c. So this is the answer. Now this particular question we can do in this way also without using method of substitution. Suppose we have to integrate, I have taken the same question dx by 9x square plus 4. This can be written in this way, 3x square plus 2 square. Now this integral is of the form x square plus a square, but you have to be sure, be very careful. This expression must be linear, must be only in terms of x. You can see this is a linear expression, 3x. Now we can consider this in this way, x square plus a square. The given integral we can consider in the form dx by x square plus a square. Now we know dx by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Dx by x square plus a square is 1 by a is to tan inverse of x by a. But be very careful. We have to divide the answer by coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x is 3, so we have to divide by 3. So it will be 1 by 6 tan inverse of 3x by 2 plus c. Okay, in this way also we can do without using method of substitution. Next, to integrate dx by 9x square minus 4. This equal to, we can write dx by 3x whole square minus 2 square. This question I will do without using method of substitution. Now this is of the form dx by x square minus a square. X, you can say this is a linear expression, so this is of the form x square minus a square. We know integration of dx by x square minus a square is 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. Formula you have to remember. These are very important. So 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. So its integration will be 1 by 2, I say 1 by 2 into 2 log of x minus a by x plus a. Okay, but we should not forget coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 3, we have to divide by 3 also. So it will be 1 by 12 log of 3x minus 2 divided by 3x plus 2. So we have to be very careful. We should not neglect this one. It's very important. The coefficient we have to divide after integrating. We have to divide the result by coefficient of x. Okay, this step we have to remember. Plus c. Next, to integrate dx by a square minus b square x square. This integration we can write in this way, a square minus bx whole square. So this integral is now of the form a square minus x square. Okay, a square minus x square. You can see integration of a square minus x square is 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. So this integral is of the form a square minus x square, and we have checked this is the linear expression bx. Here power of x is 1, bx. So its answer will be 1 by 2a log of a plus bx by a minus bx. A plus bx by a minus bx, and also you can see here coefficient of x is b, so you have to divide the answer by b also. So this is the answer, 1 by 2ab log of a plus bx by a minus bx plus c. Next, we have to integrate x square divided by x to the power 6 minus a to the power 6. Now you can see the standard integrals. You can see in each integral the numerator is 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by x square minus a square, etc. In each of this formula the numerator is 1. So here you can see the in numerator there is x square. So first of all we have to remove x square. Now how to remove x square? For that we have to substitute. Now think in this way, x square, if we differentiate x cube we will get x square. In the derivative of x cube we will get x square. So what we will do, we will put x cube equal to t. Okay, in that case if we differentiate we will get 3x square dx equal to dt, and x square dx equal to, we will get dt by 3. So if x cube equal to t, x to the power 6 will be t square minus, we can write a cube whole square. Okay, and you can see x square dx is dt by 3. This is our dt by 3. Now this is of the form x square minus a square. This is our a here. Okay, variable. This integral is of the form dx by x square minus a square. Okay, and its integration is this 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. Using this formula here, you can see x here variable is t, so x square minus a square form, its integration will be 1 by 2a. Here a is our a cube, so 1 by 2a log of t minus a by t plus a plus c. Okay, this is our a. This is of the form x square minus a square. This is our a. So 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. In the next step, we have to put the value of t, which is x cube, equal to x cube. So it will be x cube minus a cube by x cube plus a cube. Next, to integrate sec square x dx by tan square x plus 4. Here you can see derivative of tan x is sec square x. So first of all, we will substitute. We will put tan x equal to t. Its derivative is sec square x dx is equal to dt. Now numerator sec square x dx is dt, and denominator is t square plus 4 is 2 square, t square plus 2 square, and sec square x dx is dt. Now this integral is of the first form dx by x square plus a square. You can see dx by x square plus a square. Its integral is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Now using this, dt by t square plus 2 square will be 1 by a tan inverse of t by 2 plus c. So now we have to replace t by tan x. So 1 by 2 tan inverse of tan x by 2 plus c is the required answer. Next, to integrate 3x square divided by x to the power 6 plus 1. Now again, we know in the standard integrals the numerator is always 1. First of all, we have to change this to standard integral. Now for that, how we have to think? 3x square. If we differentiate x cube, we will get x square, or we will get 3x square. So in the derivative of x cube, we will get x square. So what we will do, we will write x to the power 6 in this way, x cube whole square plus 1, and numerator is 3x square. Now you can see derivative of x cube is 3x square, so we will put x cube equal to t. Let x cube equal to t. So 3x square dx is equal to dt. Therefore, now the given integral becomes, the numerator will become dt and denominator will be t square. X cube is t, so t square. 1 equal to, you can write 1 square. Now this is in the first form, dx by x square plus a square. Its answer will be 1 by a, that is 1 by 1 tan inverse of t by 1 plus c. So it will be tan inverse of t only. So tan inverse of t is x cube. So tan inverse of x cube plus c is the answer. Tan inverse of x cube plus c is the answer. Next, to integrate 3x by 1 plus 2x to the power 4. Now you can see numerator is in the numerator, the power of x is 1. X is the derivative of x square. So what we will do, we will put x square equal to t. So its derivative will be 2x dx is equal to dt, and x dx will be equal to dt by 2. Now the given integral, 3 is constant, you can take 3 outside the integration sign. Next, x dx is dt by 2. X into dx is dt by 2. Denominator 1 plus 2 x to the power 4 will be t square. Okay, now this is in the form of a standard integral. You can see 2t square equal to, you can write root 2t whole square plus 1 square. This is of the form dx by x square plus a square. This is of the first form, dt by root t square root 2 into t whole square plus 1 square. This is of the form dx by x square plus a square. And we know integration of dx by x square plus a square is 1 by a, that is 1 by 1 tan inverse of x by a. Here it will be root t 2t by 1, but coefficient of t is root 2. We have to divide by root 2 also. So answer will be 3 by 2 root 2 tan inverse of root 2. T is x square, so it will be root 2 x square plus c. Okay, carefully see this particular step, dt by root 2 t square plus 1 square. This is of the form x square plus a square. 1 by a, 1 by a is 1 by 1 tan inverse of x by 1, but we have to divide by coefficient. Here coefficient of t is root t, we have to divide the result by root 2. This is the answer. To integrate, next dx by x square plus 2x plus 2, dx by x square plus 2x plus 2. First of all, we'll express this in terms of a perfect square, in terms of whole square. So dx by, you can write x square plus 2 into x into 1, okay, plus 1 square. In that case, this will become, this is of the form now x square plus 2x1 plus 1 square, a square plus 2ab plus b square form. Okay, here the constant term is 2. I have written 1 here. To adjust, we have to write 1. So the denominator is now dx by x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square. Now this integral is of the form, the first form, dx by x square plus a square. Okay, dx by x square plus a square. You can see this is a linear expression, x only. So dx by x square plus a square, and dx by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. And you can see the coefficient of x is 1, so you have to divide by 1. If you divide by 1, it will be unchanged, it will remain same, so the integration will be tan inverse of x plus 1 plus c. So this is the answer. Okay, next, to integrate dx by x square minus 10x plus 34. This is similar to the last question. What we have to do, we have to express this in terms of whole square, in terms of perfect square. So what we will do, x square minus 2 into x, 2 into x. Now we want 10x here, so for that we have to multiply 5 with this. 2 into x into 5 will become 10x. Now you can see this is of the form a square minus 2ab. If we add 5 square, it will be a perfect square now. A square minus 2ab plus b square. First I have written x square minus 2 into x into, here we have 10x. So to get 10x, we have multiplied 5 with this plus 5 square. Now the constant here is 34 and I have written 25. To adjust, I have to add 9 here. 25 plus 9 is 34. So dx by, this is now x minus 5 whole square plus 3 square. You can see this is a linear expression. This is of the form dx by x square plus a square. So answer will be 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, x minus 5 by 3 plus c. And one thing again, you can see coefficient of x is 1. If we divide by 1, answer will be unchanged. So this is the answer, this is the answer of this integral. Next, to integrate dx by 3x square plus 13x minus 10. First, our first step will be to take coefficient of x square common in denominator. So if we take 3 common, it will be x square plus 13 by 3x minus 10 by 3. So taking 3 outside the integration sign, as this is constant, so x square plus 13 by 3x minus 10 by 3. Now we have to express this first in the whole square form. For that, what we will do, dx by, you can see, x square plus 2 into x into, to get 13 by 3, what we will do, we will multiply this with 13 by 6. In that case, you can see 2 and 6 will get cancelled, we will get 13 by 3. Now this is of the form a square plus 2ab plus 13 by 6 whole square. Now it is of the form x square plus 2ab plus b square. Look carefully, this is very important. Okay, first of all we have to express this in terms of whole square. So for that, what I have done, x square plus 2 into x into, here this term is 13 by 3x. To get 30, I have written 2 extra. To get 13 by 3, I have divided 13 by 6. In that case, 2 and 6 will get cancelled. We will get 13 by 3x plus b square, a square 2ab b square. Now it is the whole square form, a plus b whole square, minus 10 by 3 I am writing here. Now this term I have written extra, x square 13 by 3 is here. This term was not there here in this line. I have added this here, and to adjust, this is plus 13 by 6 whole square, we have to subtract 13 by 6 whole square. In that case, these two terms will get cancelled, our this and this will be same. Now 1 by 3 dx by, this is x plus 13 by 6 whole square minus, now if we simplify this, we will get value of this will be minus of 289 by 36. 289, because this is 36, if you take LCM, it will be 120 minus 169, minus 120 minus 169 is minus 289, which is 17 square, and denominator is 36 6 square. So if we simplify, this will become 289 by 36, which is 17 by 6 whole square. Now you can say this integral is of the form dx by x square minus a square, x square minus a square. So its answer will be 1 by 3 is constant, x square minus a square form, so it will be log of x minus a by x plus a plus c, x minus a by dx by x square minus a square, so it will be log of x minus a by x plus a. And what I have missed, dx by x square minus a square is 1 by 2a. I have not written 1 by 2a here, so it will be into 1 by 2 into 17 by 6. 1 by, this is our a, this is our a, x square minus a square. So 1 by 3 was already there, so I have written 1 by 3. Next 1 by 2a, 1 by 2 into this, log of x minus a by x plus a. So after simplification, we will get our numerator will be x plus 13 minus 7 is minus 4 by 6. So it will be minus of 4 by 6 means 2 by 3, and this will be x plus 30 by 6, so x plus 5 plus c. So in the numerator, if you take LCM, after further simplification, our numerator will be 3x minus 2 divided by 3x plus 15. This is the answer, 1 by 17 log of 3x minus 2 by 3x plus 15 plus c. Next, to integrate dx by 3 plus 2x minus x square dx. 3 plus 2x minus x square dx. Now you see what I did in the last question. The last question was this 3x square plus dx by 3x square plus 13x minus 10. In the first step, I have taken coefficient of x square common. I have taken 3 common. Now here also we have coefficient of x square is minus of 1. Coefficient of x square. So our first step, in the first step we will take minus sign common. So minus of, it will be dx by x square minus 2x minus 3. Now we will express this in the form of a whole square. So dx by x square minus 2 into x into, to get 2x we have to multiply 1 with this. 2 into x into 1 will be 2x. So a square, this is of the form now x, a square minus 2ab. If we add 1 square with that, it will be a perfect square. A square minus 2ab plus b square minus 3. And now as I have added, I have written extra this term plus 1 square is 1 plus 1 I have written here. This term is extra I have written. To adjust, you have to write minus of 1 square, that is minus of 1, or let me write minus of 1 square. In that case, plus 1 square minus 1 square will get cancelled. You will get x square minus 2x minus 3. X square minus 2x and minus 3. These two terms will get cancelled. Okay, so in this way we have expressed this in the form a minus b whole square plus minus a constant. Now you can see minus of dx by, this is now x minus 1 whole square minus of 4. Now we will insert this minus sign again. So this will be dx by 4 minus 4 is 2 square minus x minus 1 whole square. Actually denominator will be plus 4, which is 2 square, minus of x minus 1 whole square. Now this is of the form dx by a square minus x square. The third formula, we have dx by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. So our this integral is of the form dx by a square minus x square. So its answer will be 1 by 2 is a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. So it will be 1 by 4 log of 1 plus x by 3 minus x. So this is the answer, 1 by 4 log of 1 plus x by 3 minus x. And now I will discuss about integration of the form px plus q divided by ax square plus bx plus c. That means integration of the form where numerator is a linear expression and denominator is a quadratic expression, and this is very very important. Okay, so let us take a question. To integrate x plus 3 divided by x square minus 2x minus 5 dx. X plus 3 divided by x square minus 2x minus 5 dx. You can see the numerator is a linear expression, that is of the form px plus q, and the denominator is a quadratic expression, that is of the form this. Now how to proceed? You see, first of all we will consider numerator equal to, we will consider numerator equal to a into derivative of denominator. Derivative of this is 2x minus 2 plus b. First of all we will try to express numerator in this form, a into derivative of denominator plus b. Okay, now we have to find a and b. So x plus 3 equal to 2ax minus 2a plus b. So if we compare, we will get coefficient of x. You can see in the right hand side is 2a, in the left hand side is 1. So comparing, we get 1 equal to 2a, 1 equal to 2a, and 3 equal to, The constant in the left hand side is 3, in the right hand side the constant is minus 2a plus b. Now 2a equal to 1 means a equal to half. If we put 2a equal to 1 here, b will be 4. Okay, now we got the values of a and b. So therefore x plus 3 equal to, now we can write a is our half into 2x minus 2 plus 4. We have to express the numerator in the form a into derivative of denominator plus b, and first of all we have to find the values of a and b, which we already calculated, half and 4. Now we have replaced a by half, b by 4. So this equal to half into 2x minus 2 plus 4 divided by denominator x square minus 2x minus 5 dx. Next part, you have to separate. You can see half into 2x minus 2 divided by x square minus 2x minus 5. Half into this by this. Actually this by this, half I have written outside the integral sign as it is a constant, plus this by this plus 4 by this. So it will be 4 by x square minus 2x minus 5. This by this, first I have written plus 4 by this. Now this part you can see half into, this is of the form f dash x by fx, because its derivative is here, f dash x by fx, so it will be log of fx plus 4 into, now this type of question we have already done. This is, first of all we have to make this as a perfect square. So for that we have to write in this way, x square minus 2 into x into, as this term is 2x. To get 2x you have to multiply 1 with this, plus 1 square. I have written plus 1 square. To adjust I have to write minus 1 square. So half into log of x square minus 2x minus 5 plus 4 by integration of dx by, it will be x minus 1 whole square minus 6, we can write root 6 whole square minus of 6. So this term is half into log of x square minus 2x minus 5 plus 4. This integral is of the form dx by x square minus a square. This is a linear expression, x square minus a square. So 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a, x minus a by x plus a plus c. So this is the, you can cancel 2 and 4. So this is the answer, half log x square minus 2x minus 5, this is the first term, plus 2 by root 6 log of x minus 1 minus root 6 by x minus 1 plus root 6. And this type of question is very, very important. I am solving one more question. Next, to integrate 5x minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. Now you can see the numerator is a linear expression and denominator is a quadratic expression. So first how to proceed, let numerator equal to a into derivative of denominator, which is 2 plus 6x plus b. Will express numerator in the form a into derivative of denominator plus b. Now 5x minus 2 equal to 6ax plus 2a plus b. If we compare, we will get 6a equal to 5 and 2a plus b equal to minus of 2. So a equal to 5 by 6. If we put a equal to 5 by 6, we will get b equal to minus of 11 by 3. Okay, so now we have the values of a and b, 5 by 6 minus 11 by 3. Now we will express the numerator in this form. Therefore, the given integral is now, you can say, a 5x minus 2 is our numerator, and 5x minus 2 equal to a into a is 5 by 6, so it will be 5 by 6 into 2 plus 6x plus b is minus 11 by 3 divided by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. Now we separate the integrals. 5 by 6 is constant, so 2 plus 6x by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square, this by this, minus 11 by 3, this by this, so it will be 11 by 3 is the constant, so you can write outside the integration sign, dx by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. Now you can see the first integral is of the form f dash x by fx. This is fx and its derivative, you can see its derivative is 2 plus 6x, which is a numerator. So this integral is of the form f dash x by fx, so its answer will be log of fx. Okay, we know integration of f dash x by fx is log of fx, minus 11 by 3. Here you can see coefficient of x square is 3 and we have to take 3 common, so it will be dx by x square plus 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3. Okay, now this is 5 by 6 log of 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 9. Now we have to make this, we have to express this in the form of a whole square plus or minus something. So first of all, x square plus 2 into x into, now we have to get this term 2 by 3x. For that we have to multiply 1 by 3 with this. You can see 2x1, 2x by 3, which becomes this. Now this is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now it is now a perfect square. I have written this term extra, x square 2 by 3x. I have written this term extra. I have added this to make it a whole square. I have done this extra. Okay, and to adjust we have to subtract this one also, minus 1 by 3 square. So this equal to is now ax plus 1 by 3 whole square plus, if we simplify this we will get 2 by 9. Okay, so 5 by 6 log of 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. First this integration of this part is over. Now 11 by 9 dx by integration of x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus root 2 by 3 whole square. This is of the form dx by x square plus a square. And now this is the first term, 5 by 6 log of 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 9. Now we have to integrate this part. This is of the form dx by x square plus a square, so it will be 1 by a tan inverse of x by a and plus c. And simplifying this we get this term. The second term is 11 by 3 root 2 tan inverse of 3x plus 1 by root 2. Our first term is this, and this is the second term. So this is the integration of the given question. And so this way we have to proceed. These are very important question. This type of question, integration of the form px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c, this type of questions are very important. So today I have discussed the application of first 3 special integrals. Okay, in the next class I will discuss the application of last 3, for number 4, number 5, number 6. I will discuss the application of these 3 integrals. Okay, so first of all, today what you have to do, you have to learn all the formulas, and the application of first 3 I have done today. So that also please go through the video. Okay, and the next class I will discuss about the application of these 3 formulas. So that's all for today. Thank you.